Hey everyone, I think setting goals is an important part of the self-development process, but I know, at least for me, it can sometimes be difficult to follow through if the goals start to feel kind of monotonous to you. So this year, I wanted to try out a goal planning system that makes setting goals a little bit more fun by making it into a game. I am providing a free printable with this video. This printable is meant to go on the month at a glance section, and this kind of works into the goal setting system that I have. I printed this on cardstock, but you could also print this on just normal printer paper or even white sticker paper. And I'm just gonna cut this out. Then I printed some stickers onto some clear sticker paper that I'm going to use on here, but you could easily just write it in because I left blank boxes on here for you to fill in. I'm going to attach this just by using a glue stick. You could also use adhesive tape. The first step is to fill out the month and goal sections, which are based upon your yearly goals sheet. And this year, my sections are faith, relationships, financial, and health goals. Up here at the top, it says roadmap. So for the year, I have 4 main goals that I am going to be working on. And the actual goals will be listed on my yearly goal sheet, which is at the front of the planner, and I'll show you that later. But my faith goal this year is to spend more time with God. So I'm going to break that up into 3 small mini goals that I will complete progressively throughout the month. So for me, these are very small and attainable goals that I've broken the major goal down into for the month of January. Then this section says accountability, and it asks what could go wrong, and then it asks how can I prevent and or correct it. Each of these goal due dates have check boxes, and some of them have more than one checkbox. For example, weekly family meetings will have 5 check boxes so that I can check it off for each week of the month. I'm going to turn to my long-term collections tab and move into my list for January. On here, I have some scheduled items, so I want to make sure that I also include my scheduled goals and their due dates so that when I start planning for the weekly and I reference this monthly list, I'm making sure to add that to my schedule for the week. And if you want to learn more about how my yearly, monthly, and weekly lists work together, please check out my prioritization video, which I'll link it down below for you. I go into much more detail in that video. So now I've updated my monthly list and I've written down the date that these need to happen by, or if they are daily items, then I wrote down daily, or if they need to happen once a week, then I wrote down weekly. So I will be referencing this monthly list when I put together the weekly list. And this will help me keep on track for my goals. So I actually already completed this first task, which is choose and set up a Bible study plan. So I can check it off right here. I will also be doing a monthly check-in at the end of every month. So under each section on the printable, it asks, how did I do? And what can I do better next month? Now we get to the fun part. I'm going to create a game board that coordinates with this goal setting system. I'm creating the spaces by cutting scrapbook paper into squares. I'm dividing this into 4 sections because I have 4 main goals for this year. So this first section is kind of going to be a foresty theme. I have this bike and this canoe. And then I'm adding arrows to direct me through the game board. And this section is for my health goals.
Set me free, and now I'm leaving you behind. 'Cause I'll be okay. 'Cause I'll be great. I'll move on.
The upper left section is a beach theme for my faith goal, which is to spend more time with God. For my financial goal, which is to invest 20% of my take-home income in retirement, I'm using this kind of magical unicorn land.
I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever. 'Cause I'm up for anything like that.
And then my relationship goal is to spend more time with my friends and family. And I have this snowy mountain theme. In order to make the actual game pieces, I'm using these chipboard stickers, which are from Maggie Holmes, and I'm attaching a post-it note cut down to size to the back of each of the pieces. I only need to move the pieces 12 times, so it shouldn't lose its stickiness, but if it does, it's very easy to replace the sticky note that's on the back. And then I'm hole punching the sheets so that they can fit into my happy planner. These pieces do not come off, but they are repositionable. There are 12 squares for each of these goals, which each represent 1 month. If I complete all 3 tasks for that goal for that month, that is equivalent to 1 square on the board. So for example, let's say I go rock climbing with my husband, I have dinner with my friend Sada, and I complete all of my weekly family meetings. Then I've achieved my objective for my relationships goal for January, and so I get to move this little bird 1 square. Once the year is complete, then I reach the center of the game board and it says mission complete right here, and I have these little gifts to indicate that I will get to start up my subscription to the Planner Society kit once again if I achieve all my goals for the year. I also have this little bonus prize if I get to the 9th square, then I earn a new sticker book, as it says here. So I hope that you found this video really fun and maybe gave you some ideas for setting goals in your own planner. If you'd like to see more planner ideas, please check out my Instagram at PersonalizeMyPlanner, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!